complete mobile detailing to Metro Vancouver. Our fleet of trucks come equipped with everything to detail your car. Truck, motorcycle, RV, bus, or even your airplane. Services range from basic fleet cleaning to complete paint correction and ceramic coating. At our Vancouver Luxury Auto Spa and flagship Ceramic Pro Center, we specialize in full paint correction, wet sanding, ceramic coatings, and protective film. Detailing includes washing the car thoroughly, removing all contaminants, cleaning the wheels, plus vacuuming, shampooing, and steam cleaning the car's interior. Paint correction starts with assessing the condition of the paint and then performing a complete multi-step polish. Advanced paint correction can include wet sanding defects and deep scratches before polishing. Ceramic coating offers the ultimate paint protection. Ceramic Pro provides a finish that is much harder than wax and permanently adheres to the paint to provide a lasting shine, so your car will have that showroom finish for years to come. Protective film offers an additional layer of protection. It can be applied to the front of the vehicle to protect against rock chips, or we can wrap the entire car for complete bumper-to-bumper protection. We can even do a color change or satin finish to transform the look of the vehicle. See for yourself. Book an appointment with Unique Detailing. You'll love the results.